Michael Rapach. Date of last contact, 03/25/93. Brother Donald. Scars, marks, tattoos. Missing or artificial body parts, none. No known contact information.
Who wants to make a scalding sticky? Ah, hands up! Who wants to make it silky and milky? Come on, hands up! Who wants to see a girl in a bathing suit? This is my bathing suit. I've given up myself. Trying to find him. Went to the zoo many, many times. Of course, it just sticks with you. My brother and the zoo. I don't know what to do now. I guess I've given up hope entirely, Michael. With just one big blur. I think I'll just, what do I do? Just forget about it.
A little bit, and then work it into Michael. Talk about Michael going to the zoo. Don't tell him he's missing it. Talk about Michael going to the zoo and like what happened at the zoo. He went over the fence, and you're like, why would he go over the fence, right? And after that, then tell us about that he's missing, and then he's been missing since when we filed this day reporting 2 years on stage. Okay. And then you take the lights down, and you can just like casually walk off stage. Remember that the set is here.
Okay.
And I think there's some, I don't know which one to blow. This might blow right here. But just be careful at the edge of the sun. Follow the edge of the sun. And you can walk just over in here somewhere. Keep the lights out. And have you come onto the stage where you're going to be in the darkness. And then we'll bring up the lights on you. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then you can begin from there. Like, who wants to make it soapy and sticky? Raise your hands. Yep. Raise your hands, almost like accusing us. Raise your hands. Some of us will. Some of us won't.
Don't necessarily wait for them to respond. Move on.
Yeah, keep moving.
Is there another question or whatever?
Yeah, keep moving. That's good. That's good. Then the next one, silky and milky. Who wants to make it silky and milky? Almost as like the reply to your own question. Okay? And try to get our hands on it. Raise it, come on. Almost like talking, coaxing. Playful, though. Right. Put your hands in the pockets when you choose. Stuff them in there. How deep do they go? Do they go so that it can look like you're... And almost that, I want to feel like that you are magical. You are not real. Like this. That you can pivot on your feet. Move your arms in and out. Yeah.
Well, like I said, it's a little bit long, but I'll have to make do.
Who's ready to make it salty and sticky? Get him up. Taunting almost to us. So, like I was saying, like very, like on your toes some, you know what I mean? Or just like light. Jump a little if you feel it, you know what I mean? If you really feel it. You just feel like you can lift off the ground and be in command of that front space, you know what I mean? Right, salty, sticky, milky, silky, silky. That's very important.
Silky and milky.
Silky and milky? Did you think about that question? But yeah, definitely, as long as you have the general idea of like what we talked about, of the flow of the whole thing, you know, kind of how to flow through your monologue, your performance, right? Yeah.
That's what I was asking you. I thought you know what was good there or something.
Oh yeah. No, I've had that. I'm just asking what it looks like to you.
Oh.
I think it. That thing. I'll pull it over the back. There we go. Oh, nice. It's like a hunchback theme.
Walk up to the stop sign and then hang left and then go just straight back to the car.
Yeah.
And I won't have to worry about any more flyers after the
Right.
after that one.
After that one.
Yeah, I mean, what I'll probably even done, although probably be freezing cold because it's obviously we're out in the winter time.
Yeah.
So we'll probably be sitting there shivering and just kind of running. I might be kind of booking back to the car to get out of that cold, basically.
Okay.
It's obvious it's winter time, and it gives you a good impression it's cold outside. So won't have to be any stretching the truth or anything. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Fucking hard, man. Fucking went through. Who is this dude? Call me on the phone, dude. I'm buzzing, like, you can't. I'm buzzing, man. I'm so hard, you can't call me like this, dude. I've been, like, taking wards all night, man. Taking fucking wards. So I went, like, my brother, dude. My brother's got, like, you know, my brother used to have a Nissan. My brother, like, that Nissan was fucking cool, but, like, he, dude, totally, like, traded this thing in for, like, truck. Fucking badass, man. Well, my brother's got this big truck, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, my brother's got this huge truck, dude. It's, like, red. And fucking, it's, like, 10 girls in the truck all the time, driving around town, man. It fucking rules, dude. Totally fucking, like, shit, you know what I'm saying? It's awesome. Sometimes, like, yeah, dude, it's my brother's truck. Like, my brother has this truck, you know? So, like, sometimes he lets me drive it, you know what I'm saying? Like, he lets me drive, like, fucking shifting gears, man. My brother's truck. I took some warts tonight, man. I'm buzzing hard, can you tell, man? I'm buzzing. Totally buzzing right now, man. Some more, man. It's this wort, dude, my brother and I, like, last night, yeah. No, 2 nights ago, or one of those nights, you know, my brother and I were like, dude, let's go to Safeway. You know what I'm saying? Like, we were just like, dude, let's go to Safeway. We were in the basement. My brother, he has a truck. So we just like, go fucking Safeway, dude. Man, it was fucking awesome. My brother, and we got in, like, my brother's truck. And, like, my brother was like, dude, I'm gonna go to Safeway and, like, fucking take my truck to the front window and, like, dude, I'm gonna get, like, some magazines and shit. My brother was like, dude, what are you gonna get? And I was like, fuck, man, I'm gonna get some wort at Safeway, man. I'm gonna get some wort, dude. So, like, we went to Safeway. My brother was like, I'm gonna drive the truck to the front window, man. And, like, so, like, my brother drove the truck to the front door and, like, I got out and, like, I was going for the wort, dude. I wanted the wort, you know what I mean? Like, so I went to the fucking, like, the herbal remedies aisle, that's where they keep the wort, and, like, so, like, I got, like, a bunch of warts there, man. I'm buzzing hard right now, too. Yeah, dude, let's think about the wort. That's what I'm trying to have. I'm the wort, man. I don't know. Like, took, like, all the warts they had, man. Yeah, I took it all. My brother was like, dude. And I was like, I need the wort, man. So, like, I'm buzzing. I've been buzzing, like, ever since then. I'm totally I'm buzzing hard, man. Hey, I had, like, sucked though, because I had, like, $90 in my pocket. No, in an envelope. Or something. I had, like, $90 in this thing that I had with me. You know what I mean? I don't know, dude, because, oh, yeah, well, I was, like, totally, like, even at Safeway, I took a bunch of the wort, like, right away, so I was buzzing totally hard right then, just, like, totally buzzing, you know what I mean? So my brother was like, oh, we drove through the front window, too, in my brother's truck. Yeah, my brother's truck, man. We were, like, in the parking lot, and my brother was, like, drove the truck. Safeway or something, man. We were at Safeway, he drove through the front window. My brother has a huge truck, man. My brother's got the truck. So I needed to get some wort, dude. I needed that wort, man. So my brother was, oh no, he wanted magazines, no. My brother, and like, he knew that he wanted those too. You should see my brother when he does shit like that, man. My brother's the shit, man. He rules, dude. Have you seen him? Yeah, man, you saw that picture of him that one time. Remember how I was buzzing then too, huh? Because normally, like, you know, my brother, like, I don't know, I don't do that normally, you know. I must have been buzzing so hard at that point. Maybe even harder than I'm buzzing right now, because right now I'm buzzing so hard, man. I felt like the views that they have on the internet.
Donald
I
has
could show
been
you
searching,
sometime if you want to come over to my place.
and his brother has been missing for years at this point. Wandering, most likely,
Yeah, man.
staying in strange places.
Cops and, like, they
Donald
take
and
my
Michael's
brother's
parents have passed on from old age.
truck- Take my brother's truck away from my brother, man. He was like, my brother was like kicking their fucking asses, dude, man. My brother has like 10 arms. Yeah, he had like 10 arms right then, man, in Safeway. Cause I was in the wort aisle, you know, I was getting wort.
Can't remember where he left his car. He must find his brother.
Oh no.
Michael can take care of his problems.
My brother, oh, you're my brother's truck.
Michael once climbed into a monkey pit at the zoo.
We went to
He scaled down the side of the large habitat.
and then we went to Subway.
After his medication got lost
Even though
and
they took
no
all
one
the money
noticed,
that I had in that thing, remember?
Donald held a
Remember
large
that thing
bag
that
of
I had
Cheez-Its
before?
they had been carrying around.
Buzzing, man. I'm buzzing like
Donald
I don't know.
yelled
I don't
down
know.
at his brother, Michael,
I need more wort, dude.
Michael,
Yeah,
you need
I'm
your
buzzing, though.
clopazine. Did you take it?
Well, we went to Safeway.
My brother and me,
My brother and me,
pumping much.
popping much. We went to like get the food. And my brother went and like, dude, I was like at that point I was like I'm buzzing, man. My brother was driving around. He was like, go get some food, and I was like, I'm buzzing so hard right now. But then he was like, my brother's got like 10 girlfriends.
Michael,
No, something, maybe 20, 30 or so. I don't know. He's got like
Michael, you need your clopazine.
Yeah.
Did
My
you take
brother
it?
was like, fuck her.
Michael,
No, like, fuck her. That's what my brother told me.
yeah,
10 times, 15 times, maybe.
just a second. Michael chased monkeys
My brother, like,
across the concrete bottom.
My
After
brother
he had
knows like
descended,
10 martial arts, man.
pool of standing water.
He knows like a bunch of martial
Young
arts.
boys above clapped at his
Like a lot of
performance.
kinds.
Donald dropped his pretzel bag and scanned the crowd, not knowing who he was looking for. They had come alone.
I was buzzing really hard, you know? So like, maybe that's why. I'm buzzing, I'm sorry I'm buzzing so hard right now. Have you seen my brother's truck though? So you know, like, you've seen my brother's truck, right? Fucking dude, like 10 tires and shit on my brother's truck, like, off the ground, like that many feet.
Michael can take care of his problems.
There's a bunch of tires, like 5 maybe. I drove it, man, I know. It's like all over, it's like tire big off, you know, how it's the truck. He was like, dude, sorry I'm buzzing so hard right now. What?
He must find his brother.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, I got like all of them. I got the Jansen was that thing. Yeah, I was like on doing batteries and stuff. Yeah. Dude, it's like fucking 10 times as big as it was before. Dude, it's like so big now.
I mean, you know, it sounds more like an off-road vehicle than it does a car. Like the muffler's missing or something. You ready?